A very good afternoon to everybody. And now the shungi to get gonda assume the chevalaya shuyorete. But then what happened was the light went off, and it just came now. So because of that, the chujo chevama seems to delay chadesha. So the not mixing now shungi samoloya gongse shuyi. And the name of Tuzuka no watch Sharja for a join rata tari. Then the class now you get the chazan, please turn off your cell phones. Okay, and now is showing the three on the screen. The team, right? You can see the whole PowerPoint in your cell phones clearly. So today I'll be explaining the cartoons of chapter number 5 and 6. Okay, so then I'll record the explanation and then I'll upload it. Okay, if it goes fine, then we'll just consider this class as the final explanation for chapter number 5 and 6 cartoons. And then now let's show you the SMS the WhatsApp yun. So I'll get the message over here and then I can react accordingly. Okay, so chapter number 5 and 6 ki cartoons nanglolia the maps mix mindu. Okay, chapter number 5 the 6 nija map me was on the past question paper nanglore the hingi ganglia mix maps the chivo mindu. So we'll not do any maps from these two chapters. Look them nanglole chida maps ke yo mare. That in a cartoon nanglolia first cartoon that you will see in your textbook is this cartoon. The cartoon nanglolia thambu will first try to identify. Okay, this man over here, this represents United States of America. Alright, and if you really look clearly in the picture, in the right hand side he's holding something, and in the left hand side also he's holding something. The light he's holding the United Nation emblem. Okay, United Nation registered. It says war. The digi hari chungu yore lajura arigi lapa yoma delia United Nation kire lapa yema delia hari kirsana war lavyor. The digi ngaju khandes go through. If you really look carefully over here, this here, if the right one don't get you, okay, then what will happen? Then the left one will. This explanation is very important. Kesi United Nations in order to make you listen to us, we'll first of all try to use the United Nations. United Nations peaceful method. Peaceful method United Nations try United Nations then what we will do? We'll use war. The best example would be the Second Gulf War. The cartoon ki kharu tyung borsna the again hegemony tyung yore tamana shingi ari ki power ke tyung gore. Okay, and ari ki influence over United Nation. Okay, and ari ki United Nation la dinde influence yogo be gumzen khari ba kharres la orjana tangbo delia United Nation ki location kora ari nanglol re niwa delia and United Nation la tang ngi ki contribution mangu shush go wa di nanglo ne contribute chinge mangshe chik ari chade. Yes, so the United Nations Kurang ne tuya la khanda dinde ari nashin lumbo topshu chimbu dinde buyo kesi lumbo topshu chimbu dinde me ora jina ye United Nations ki digas ke an effective chagi yomar. We have already learned it in the chapter in detail. All right, so in your board examinations, if okay that chapter tiwarwa the pena cha shaura sorry tiwarda dinde doch leora jina. What does this cartoon depict? So you can say this cartoon depicts United Nations influence on United States influence on United Nation, America's influence on United Nation. New Delhi, what have been the reasons for immediate influence of United States on UN? Ladwa. Chezan arigi United Nation kan le dinde influence yogu begi gumzen kharre. Nirang ichi shows that. And thandana shuba. First is the location of United Nations is office, United Nations office kora New York is in America, and second one is United Nations is one of the major contributors to the United Nations budget. Okay? Or you can say United Nations is the largest financial contributor to the United Nations. Sumadelia, is the cartoon still relevant? The Nyama education Thanda Imbarachina Ariki Nyama United Nations influence over Nashingi Thanda Yorwe. That's a question. Your West na ta ngaju kharsana nyema ari gi hegemony gi power di thanda ranja de your we. Yo marwa. Ta ngaju khazan chapter number kanjo sumbana jangsa ba. Alternative centers of power nanglo new centers of power nanglo ya ari gi chab ya lumba mango de do ta in khasa di China yore dana shi Russia yore India yore right and Israel ngaju this is jang ra di chibu mai be group of countries nanglo share we have European Union, we have got ASEAN, we have got SAARC, right? That thando BRICS, BIMSTEC nanglo huge ta dige chama they are upcoming organizations which might take the position of United Nations in the future. Cheta nyema na shingi arigi ani nedandi kanda cha yo mares la ver. Okay, cheta nyema na shingi influence yo resana yo mares. Okay? So this cartoon is not relevant today because United Nations is not in the same position. Okay? Now, then next one we have this cartoon Darfur. The dinam can't see what you can look over here. The koala Darfur Lumba. Okay? Darfur it's in Sudan and the Africa na you Sudan Lumba na you Darfur Lumba na Loria ani and the Kangi Shush Ted Wanyama. That the Kangi the Karesla. The second if you look at the this is in Sudan, Africa, and if you look in this Kangi Heritage is over that you can see if you can look very carefully what is it different? Starvation, right? Genocide, peace, horror, you get the picture they are going through starvation, right? They are facing so many problems, right? So the day you pick up the Lia, the Dinangola Kunji Baul Baul Mazukatam, you carry Pujish was Madil Sungos and Jobso Sungua, body Jobso Sungua, Jobso Nangolia knew Radwe. You cannot see any money in this armed bowl, or neither can you see any sort of food or anything like that. Bowl Nanglol Sama Karesha. It's all votes, right? The votes, the can see. What they represent, it's just all a big helping of votes. But kind of bowl now ropa goyes larva. Ropa la kharra yorisana, and vote ki ropa chukuja just helping, mere simple votes. Okay, so Mado Tungobu ki Rogram humanitarian aid ke Rayoma. Sadin Mimamush Tomudwa. So the key and the United Nations the criticism those day. Hence explanation Nanglo Chung Tidomige 2003 Nanglolia and international community kita Darfur Nanglolia Kangi Chung de Kangi Chung of the Ropa Pasha, the Tungobu Roba Maimbache debates and it didn't so and Chigi love their mother just empty promises, empty votes. Not real aids. Hence, on the 8 million correct Rayo Mark, just mere simple votes, empty votes, much Rayo Mark. So, the again United Nations criticism to share vote. Hence, the Yamagi and the board now later Shidata Thomas, but in a young Azule must have been came out. Okay, the Pencha Shawajana what does the cartoon represent? You can say the cartoon represents a humanitarian crisis, like a crisis in Darfur, Sudan, Africa. Okay, what type of crisis does the cartoon show? Cartoon the crisis Karesha, starvation, then what? Hunger. So starvation, hunger, chiparwa, starvation, genocide, okay, horror, all this etc. Okay, what message does the cartoon convey? Message Kartyongosna that United Nations has just extended empty votes, empty promises. Okay, a big helping of votes only. Dilap shared. Yes, sir. So the United Nations has only given big helping votes, but has not given any actual aid or support to reach to those people in Sudan. Okay, therefore. So next step to end. So this, if you look in the picture, the Kawal Chungris Lawarjana and the 2006 la Lebanon Chungre. Okay, the Lebanon Nanglolia, the Lebanon Nyota Karis Lawarjana, Israel ki and Lebanon la attack tanks. Okay. Attack tanks, Kunji Kalusna and Israel Nanglola, Hezbollah Ladi, and the militant groups. The militant group la control Cheduria and Iraq kaza Israel ki ani pigela khanda Lebanon la attack tang cheta khanda khumju gi khakta tie di khar lagosna Hezbollah jirwa di ani control che shikule yin slap che khanda Israel gi Lebanon la attack tang che di kap de ya civilian mimpem bisi mamu thon okay dinde ki civilian pe bisi mamu thong di ruwa ani Lebanon shungi ya lap che thama thap shu ruwa ani United Nation ki resolution ta di chichu mes dai jurwa di resolution di khadu tang na August na tang keswe August na la tang che ani ari mangmi di ma chi din khadu jab shas na only in October was it that if you look in the di khari di ge ya again it is it's a criticism against United Nation khari chin na attack khadu tang sha June okay June la tang yorda the United Nation ki resolution khadi only passed in August okay the United Nation ki August la tang la tam sa ma thong urwa ma thwe di chiden ye di khadi gyapsha only in October so by the time the United Nation ki resolution tang wake up de ya khar resha you can see destruction has already happened okay and the chipu ji mahi begra phaju de sivrajina the man who is inside the net kind of thing gives to this Lavajana and United Nations ki Secretary General okay and Quran ki lagba di nanglo la sivrajana di United Nations Quran khane sausna di United Nations ki resolution di ta Quran United Nations ki resolution pe kini draw up there it's too late okay so many destructions has already happened so many civilians has already died okay the United Nations ki khari resolution le mojna ko toku ulen go yo de la jwa di gang le test chi khada chi tha ya da da na shin phaju di shira chi jo me be gi di gang le ya an kyun su chi okay so let's move on to the questions. What does the cartoon represent? You can say the cartoon it represents the role of the United Nations on the attack of Israel on Lebanon. Okay, cartoon di se upe tungu dwa who is the person being commented in the cartoon sure ani United Nations ki Secretary General Mr. Kofi Annan. Okay, dine sumba dele what does the cartoon convey message khar tyungor slawjna it conveys the message on the relevance of the United Nations as immediate follow-up. Immediate follow-up mindwa. Okay, United Nations immediate follow-up was not there by Israeli despite passing a resolution from the United Nations. Because the United Nations resolution passed khadu tang so August. Khunju chiten khadu ja so October. Okay, so the immediate follow-up mindwa. Di kalia ani love your words. Okay, did you say? So let's move on to the next. Ta di ngaju dination gang di ge tang jo chapter ngawa ki cartoon digas che that chapter 2 ba khaji de ya cartoon civilization globalization go so globalization na kya so din sim okay di kharesha computer de ba if you look very carefully this is a computer yimbe gang le computer di ta kan the dollar ki tum che yo dos ba it's you can see the it's basically all like dollar ki chilo pop skin di dollar khaji de ba okay di ki nganju gi kharisyon course lawresna ani globalization na love of the correct flow of ideas right flow of commodities then I chita ne globalization la ani chita globalization di thanda sawadin ke mare globalization di yeman chung yorwa yeman chung yor di kap de mi movement da and tangna shi di ne yorte ine the globalization la fact globalization chung ye factor mangu shi yorte ine di nanglo le ke chi chi ngaz khar chagosna technology. Okay, and technology nanglo ni tang computer nanglo ni just with the one click of your finger ideas are being shared. The computer level ni chi che any globalization shita gi shukcher do. Okay, so the computer di globalization shukchung pe chung what. So let's say which phenomenon of the 21st century is represented by this picture. So you can say this globalization is represented by this picture. Okay. Why did the artist choose computer to represent that phenomenon? But why specifically, did he has he chosen the computer picture? Globalization actually is not caused by a single factor. It is caused by various factors. However, technology plays a very important role in globalization. Okay, one of the major factors of globalization is technology. So that is why he has chosen computer. Now this is my explanation, but if you have any other explanation, you can do that also. Thank you, Shriba, but it has to be relevant. Okay? It has to be reasonable. You have to give reasons behind whatever answer you give. Explanation. Okay? That dine mention any two benefits of the phenomenon represented in the picture. The technology gi gune any cause benefits kharra yore. Ta benefits pe misi mangu ra yore. Mazu pencha shawajina culture do imbarjina cause homogenization dana shingi yore dana shingi an economy yore dana shingi anju gi livelihood the life standard te yarke to yore people as manzu imbarjina we got a better choice of market, right? Oh, you can just write any two of all these. It's already in your notes. Okay, the advantages advantages you can just simply write two. Okay, teacher. Technology the speed of globalization. All right. Next one we have is this one, the cartoons. It says yesterday. Yesterday, Wall Khatisha. There's a mother and a child, and the mother is telling the child to finish his dinner. Because there are people in China and India who are starving. That the globalization, the technology, when there was a huge gap between the developed and the developing countries. The developed countries, the developed shoe, it shows the underdeveloped countries, the difference between the developed and the developing countries, right? Then you can see the next one. It says today. Thande chalia ani globalization shukchum shoes do yorwa. Globalization shukchum do yumzel market nanglolia competition shukchum payer. Technology yer get it. So the gap, okay, has become closer. Yema in a gap pechmudwa. That gap, because of the globalization, the big gap is not there. Okay, it's like, and competition has also increased. Rata tingsa imbarjina ani but competition the shoe mangu yuve yumzel peche and the khatisha. Finish your homework because there are people in China and India who are striving for your job. Homework ma to khanza jaga da mixi gi jaga da ani Gana the technology pe misi yaku yorwa. Okay, and it is a dig hartomosana gap this shida chung to you. Okay, competition should check to you to so this is all because of globalization. Alright. So the Indian case what does this cartoon comments? The cartoon comments on the scenario. So the changing scenario of the two worlds, the developed and the developing countries, due to globalization. Okay, what is referred under the title yesterday? Title yesterday lava kap delia ani khar lava yesterday lo khari imbato in before. Okay, so nyama nganju gi khanda it refers to the conditions of the developing countries. Okay, developing countries way before khanda earlier. So you can say that it refers to the earlier conditions of developing countries who were starving due to their economy, due to the less growth in the economy, or you can say due to the economic problems that they had during those times. Okay, what message does the title today convey? Globalization it has opened the doors of the new market. Okay, it has made the world more competitive. All right. So the and it has also lessened the gap between the developed and the developing countries. Okay, the brain drain term there you can use that also. It is led to the brain drain. Okay. Finally say invading new markets. So this is an invasion of new markets. The invasion, the switch you can see over here. What do you see? Coca-Cola. Okay. The main cartoons Goofy, Mickey Mouse, right? Dige samme ki kharte mos cartoon da dizu pensation di samma ngazu ki tanda cartoons dige impression now Disney World khajirwa Disney ka cartoon sidwa the Disney cartoon law ka kele ngazu ari thungo ro coke law original ari wa okay ta di mai be McDonald's again okay flag gal McDonald's the invasion the switch to McDonald's western countries right taga nashing ki su de sujo sivrjna Microsoft technology ki ne Microsoft okay again America wa so the ki ani you have Mickey Mouse so the cartoons dike changma kyan jo sivra jinar wa the ki kharutyong course la warjana it actually shows because of the globalization okay and globalization ki kimjel tin majo an economy ke flow chik chabo ba so the economy flow chawegi economy ki flow di tingi di ki kharutyong course la warjana the western countries tinju ki ani zamblin changmal ya nyama emerging country as it is invade kora chigoro ta tingsa innovation ding ju ra force mai begi ani the day uni culture the technology uni invention you call it as neo colonial colonialism like nyama ma colonial yorwa so this is neo colonialism where you are invading the countries through market okay di tyongor ta di nanglo an chance meet into sivra general kunju ge shu neo colonialism tele shu go you khai number nanglo ne tyong mitwa okay di tyong so basically the king of the neo-colonialism tyongore of the globalization gi june the market invasion jirwa the tyongore market invasion this is now western ki and the developing countries la ne mang je khare sha soft power redwa ko masam thungorwa ko and some Disney gi and the figures ngazu Disney cartoon ta yore kunju gi ta lega kind of McDonald's ngazu walle sa do jaga so it's just invasion of the as I told you before it's just showing the invasion of the markets okay neo-colonialism all right sure so what does this cartoon depict you can say that this cartoon depicts the cultural effect or you can say cultural effect on the second word that you can use is soft power la degree okay soft power la capital and the cultural la borwa cultural or you can say cultural heterogenization due to globalization what kind of invasion is being done over here ani correct invasion of new markets or invasion you can say the invasion what kind of invasion is being done here the invasion of new markets so you can say all other word it would be neo colonialization okay and what is the difference between the usual invasion and the invasion of this cartoon usual invasion you use army you use guns okay or you use bombs but here bombs dige guns bije chiye chigore bombs bije bomb sama kharesha kogredwa okay so this cartoon invasion dikhasna market ki invasion dire yama gi invasion dikharesla orajina manju gi by using mangmi ram bije chiche any pet khora lakcha bije chiche invade chigor bhai ne din anglol ya in the bije hard power bije mache wache there ya market bije chiye dikharesna na ani soft power bije chin the earlier invasion was done you can say the difference between the usual invasion is usually done using hard power whereas the invasion of this cartoon is through soft power that's it okay all right so this is all about the cartoons of chapter number 5 and 6 I hope you have understood that and the din now you can see you the chiwa the yo rajina you can ask me and now shungi the can chiwa yo rajina you can WhatsApp me okay and